Also, a couple of weeks ago we did this Intek M150 for Mr. Gentleman from Leicestershire does farming and trucking, and we did record the on the air test, but I went and erased it because I forgot which camera I did it on. So we'll do that again. Underneath we've got a Spirit 40F I was working on. It's a set I bought on eBay. I can only spend time on it today. We'll have to launch that as a part 1 because it's got a few issues. So we've got these sets were made about 2014, just before the UK were given permission to use MultiNorm sets with SSB and AM. So to access AM on this, we've got to pretend we're in a different country. We can legally do that because it is CE approved. But I don't want you to think that it's crummy because you've got to faff around. It was made before that legislation came in and this type of set was permitted. There aren't that many you can do that with, but anyway, this is one you can. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Right, I'm just going to plug my extension speaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger Dodger. Obviously the extension speaker being 4 inches an awful lot better than the 1.5 inch front facing speaker you get.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio we've got no tone control.
Roger. Turn the line.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Lancaster service station, 133.9, 142.9.
We were in Skegness today and I saw 129.9 there.
Good. If you're on a modern set, which I think you might be missing the beginning of your overs.
Oh right, I've got to take half a second into consideration because I'm on a modern set, as you quite rightly have worked out.
Yeah, roger that. Right, we're now square wheeled at Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger Dodger.
Right, we're now passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill. This will go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner as Wilsford. I'm on an Intek M150 from about 2014, which is a MultiNorm, and I'm on full watt output and using this factory standard mic.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger Dodger.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
Roger got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Oh, I never pressed record.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Oh, well, here's where the video will start with the 3 cameras. So I'm on this Intek M150 from 2014. It's doing full 4 watt output. I'm using the standard replacement mic, showing 1.14 amps to produce those 4 watts. We're going to go into CPT, but I'm going to have to faff about, and we can do FM straight from the radio, but I'm going to set it to another country code to do it to AM. So I'll talk to you on CBT FM 31 shortly.
Yep, Roger, I'll be there.
Mr Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Yep, just checking you there.
Yep, no problem.
Okay, we'll go to AM.
Roger, I'll see you there.
Mr Chippie.
Yep, Tango 21, go ahead.
You on AM, let's go back to UK.
Roger, will do.
Yeah. Tango 21, Mr Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
21, Mr Chippie, do you copy?
Yep, Tango 21, go ahead.
I'm ready now, it's done.
Roger that.
Okay, off you go when you're ready.
Right, we're on the move again.
Good, yeah.
Right, this is where the test sends anyway, because the level crossing is closed.
Oh, right, well, okay, got you at the level crossing. 10-10.
Yeah, there's a police car the other side, and it's all cordoned off, so I don't know what the police are doing. Are they waiting to be let through?
Hey, well, that makes an interesting... I'm glad you are recording now. Right, well, that works fine. Right, 10-10.
Roger, I think I can see one of the barriers broken. I think perhaps somebody's taken the barrier out.
You're on that. Okay.
Oh yeah, now the recovery truck's backing out of the way, I can see it says road closed.
Roger, right, I'll set you back at the round 10. 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Work fine. Right, 10-10.
Roger, I think I can see one of the barriers broken. I think perhaps somebody's taken the barrier out.
Roger on that. Okay.
Oh yeah, now the recovery truck's backing out of the way. I can see it says road closed.
Roger. Right, I'll catch you back at the round 10. 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Okay, well, he got as far as Rosby Level Crossing. Well, it was another disjointed video, wasn't it, with him forgetting to go into record? And the whole reason that we're redoing this is because I rubbed off my end of the tape. So, I don't know. It doesn't matter anyway. We've proved the set works. And, you know, I wanted to do the AM/FM thing. Right, we'll go through to our base station, see what it sounds like on our Midland 76900 using the factory original mic. And take heed of what he says. It takes half a second to go into the transmit, and a lot of newer radios and current radios do that.
Tango 21, testing the Intek M150 with the standard replacement mic doing full force output into our Midland 76900 base station. So I think tomorrow we are on a emergency set, and will it be the Cobra one from 1981, or will it be the another one from the early 90s?